Welcome to Lake.com, where your perfect lakeside getaway awaits. I'm David, the founder and CEO, and today I'm going to show you how to search for the perfect vacation rental property for you, your family, and your friends. So let's get into it. First, it's good to know that you can search for vacation rentals directly from the homepage. Now, you don't even need to be logged in, but you'll want to sign up and stay logged in so that you can use advanced features like saving to favorites or sharing your favorites with others. So before going further, log in for the best experience. Once logged in, make sure you're in the guest view. Just hover over the menu in the top corner to see if the guest toggle button is selected. This view is for travelers like you who want to browse properties, save to favorites, and once you found that perfect place, make a booking. Okay, so let's do a search together. You probably have a location in mind like Gatlinburg, Lake of the Ozarks, Lake Tahoe, or Muskoka, where I am right now. If you have an idea where you want to go, then let's start with that. Enter your destination and the travel dates right there. Then pick the number of guests. These pieces of info help us uncover all the available rentals that match your criteria, offering you the lakeside retreat of your dreams. Looking for something specific though, you can always use keywords like lakefront or hiking to pinpoint the perfect stay. Then apply filters such as the number of rooms, a price range, or amenities to narrow down your search further. Each listing on Lake.com is a window into a unique lakeside experience. Right away, you'll see properties with a photo, title, and location. You can click on that map icon to open up a map showing the location of each property. This is helpful to know how close the property is to the water, or perhaps a golf course or other activities that you might have planned. Some properties might even be on an island, which is important to know in advance, but that might be exactly what you're looking for. The map also gives you a sense of how to get there and how close it is to the grocery store or the nearest town. While most hosts do list their address, giving you an exact location, others have provided a more general area for privacy reasons. So if you see a wider circle and not that exact location, this is why. Once you've found a vacation home that you'd like to explore, just click through to learn all about it. Flip through all the photos. Most homeowners have at least 10 photos, with some as many as 50. Look for photos of both the exterior and the interior, as well as any special amenities such as a hot tub or outdoor activities that, look like fun. You can get a sense of the size of the home by checking the number of bedrooms and bathrooms and the square footage. Read through the detailed description and those house rules, and don't forget to check guest reviews or testimonials for insights into their stays. Now, when you're torn between two options, you can compare listings to find the right fit. You can do this by saving to favorites, then clicking the heart icon. You'll be prompted to add a property to an existing collection of favorites or create a new collection if you don't already have one. When comparing vacation rental homes, it's not always about the price. Pay close attention to amenities, as in, does it have everything that you need? Perhaps one has a barbecue and an outdoor pizza oven, while the other one has beautiful views of the sunset. Choices, I know. Speaking of views, you'll also want to compare the location of each property. How close are the properties to the water, and is it easy to access and get to the lake? Or maybe it's just a short walk. Proximity to the water is certainly something to consider, as is how close you are to the nearest town. Being close to town means it's easy to pick up groceries, get fishing supplies, and perhaps rent a kayak or a paddle boat for the day. Plus, no matter how small the town, it's likely that they have a restaurant. So if you'd like someone else to do the cooking for one night, well, you've got somewhere to go. Finally, you will want to compare rates, which can vary depending on seasonality, the nights booked, and other factors like location or amenities. Now, no two properties are alike, so don't expect to see two places with the exact same prices. Homeowners set their own prices based upon guests who have stayed there in the past and the experiences that they have to offer. Ultimately though, it's up to you to determine what's most important. But the good news is, on Lake.com, you have plenty of options to choose from. Double check the calendar to confirm availability, and if you're flexible on dates, try adjusting the calendar by a day or two on either end, or maybe even a different week altogether to open up more availability or see different prices. So that said, don't be surprised if you do see different prices when you do change the dates. This could be because the host sets different prices for weekdays versus weekends, or seasonal factors like there's a big event coming to town, such as a music festival or a boat show. For these reasons, the prices might be slightly different depending on the dates. If you haven't done so already, let me remind you again to save the property to your favorites just by clicking that heart icon. This will make it easy to come back to later if you're still evaluating your options. But if this is the one for you and the dates work, you're ready to secure your booking. Just click Book Now. As you make the booking, let's also talk about numbers. The nightly rate is often all-inclusive. However, keep an eye out for additional fees that the host may have added, such as cleaning fees or pet fees or extra guest fees, to ensure that there's no surprises. Nowadays though, most hosts do include these in their nightly rate, but it's one to look out for upon checkout. Also at checkout, you'll also notice that Lake.com does charge a modest 3% service fee. This fee helps us continue to offer a great service and developing the only vacation rental platform dedicated to lakeside retreats. To secure your booking, enter your payment information, either a credit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal. Once your payment's received, it's held in a trust account until you check in and your stay begins. This means that if there's any last-minute adjustments or your plans change, we can easily handle it. Great, your booking's confirmed and you've got a wonderful vacation to look forward to. Expect to hear from the host through Lake.com's messaging system or a separate email. They'll want to welcome you and ensure that you have everything that you need prior to your arrival. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to finding and booking the perfect lakeside retreat on Lake.com. With these tips, I'm confident that you got everything that you need to have a wonderful time by the water. Thanks again for choosing Lake.com.